3, 2, 1, release the brakes and full speed ahead. A modern car exhaust has to have the ability to react in a split second, and the whole system has to work efficiently and sustainably. The same is true for ERP, systems to manage production, accountancy, and organization in a company.
Using complex systems is a common practice for us. We embrace this at Tru-Flex, where we produce compensators to manage vibration and motion for exhaust after-treatment systems. These devices are used in modern vehicles with diesel engines, among other applications.
Kinetic, as the ERP system by Epicor software is known, is the heart of the company and automates virtually every business process, repetitively and flawlessly, both in Tru-Flex USA and its units abroad. Our collaboration began by implementing the ERP system in a Tru-Flex factory in Zimna Wódka in Poland. When the company began preparations to invest in Poland, it didn't even have a plot of land to build on. Representatives of the company weren't aware of the many challenges that lay ahead and prevented a one-to-one transfer of the system directly from the States, including VAT regulations, a different invoice structure, and Polish tax regulations. Mindbox took the challenge. We started in January.
A few months after, a full-scale production rushed ahead, complete with a production hall, a set of machinery, and the ERP system that we implemented that tied it all together.
A new challenge appeared on the horizon soon after. Tru-Flex gathered so many orders and needed to process so much data that the current version of ERP wasn't able to handle the task sufficiently.
We needed a new version of ERP that was customized for our needs. We wanted the new design to not only embrace all our locations working together as one organization, but also to consider their local specifications.
It turned out that the technological difference between the two versions of Epicor software was huge. Due to radical changes in technology, the database and many other elements had to be created from scratch. Thanks to the rapid pace of development in the US, Tru-Flex once again chose Mindbox to be their partner.
The previous ERP system used a progress database. The updated system Kinetic utilized the Microsoft SQL database. The software components needed to be coded from scratch, so we ended up converting everything from one language to another and testing everything intensively. The upgrade was highly advanced. The work lasted for 180 days and a large number of Mindbox consultants were engaged in the process. The results have been a great success. We are particularly proud that while working for the Polish division of Tru-Flex, our efforts were appreciated so much that the company asked us to take on this challenging project in the US. Despite the differences in business culture, legal issues, and different terminology of the ERP systems, we were able to do the job.
The older version of the system generated costs. That's why upgrading to the newest version of Kinetic turned out to be a cost-effective solution that saved a lot of money. 4 Tru-Flex factories are constantly shipping the manufactured parts between each other. Then there's a separate unit responsible for packaging the products. As of now, all of these facilities are working efficiently thanks to one coherent ERP system, Kinetic.
We implemented the entire project successfully within the time frame and estimated budget. After the launch, we still maintain the Kinetic system for Tru-Flex. And it started simply. We just kept our word.